How to share a YouTube video link on your Instagram story. Start by opening the YouTube app and going to your homepage or your channel. Find the video you want to share and tap the three dots next to its title. Select Share and then choose Copy Link. Next, exit YouTube and open the Instagram app. Tap the plus sign at the top to add a new story. Take a photo using the camera icon or select an image from your gallery. Then, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen, search for the link sticker, and select it. Paste the YouTube video link into the URL field and tap Done. You can also pick a different color for the link if you like. After that, adjust the link's position on your story and add some text, like New Post or a short description of the video. Use GIFs or emojis, such as the YouTube logo, to make your story more eye-catching. Resize and move the text and stickers until everything looks good. Once your story is ready, tap Next and then Share to post it to your profile. To make sure the link works, switch to a different Instagram account and click the link to confirm that it opens the YouTube video directly. And that's it.